Everyone, this is Kejmo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang latest performance ni Jong Madaliday sa All Out Sundays. Buti na lang talaga meron na siyang sarili. I don't know kung ito talaga, kung sarili niya talaga itong what you call this, kung may segment na talaga siya. Kasi alam ko just Jong. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Go. Sige nga.
Sa kantahan, ang trending R&B singer, Jong Madaliday, and this is
Just Jong. Okay. Just Jong. Oh, Kanluman. Kanlungan. Wow. Wait. Sorry. It's okay. Ito na nire-request ninyo. Dapat.
Sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayong nagsimula. Mangarap ang mga puno at halaman.
Ganda ng texture ng boses. Yes! Tapos na yun? Isang kanta lang pala talaga siya for today's video. Pero wait lang, ulitin natin yun. Ulitin natin yun, hindi ako papayag. Isang kanta lang siya. Maiksi lang, pero at least may sarili siyang, may sarili siyang, what do you call this? Segment. Just Jong. Can we figure out? Ganon. Jeez. Okay.
Sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayong nagsimula.
Ganda ng emotion niya. Yung texture kasi talaga ng boses niya, the texture of his voice talaga. Hindi pong alam mo yung hindi garal-gala, pero may texture ng parang garal-gal. Alam mo yun? Raspiness, the raspiness. Yung tipong napaka-crispy. You know what I mean? Grabe yung, wait lang, grabe yung diin niya dun sa Dean. Grabe yung diin. Grabe yung diin. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda naman nito, Jong. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Kanlungan, suggestion. So sana talaga, no, marami pa siyang, may segment talaga si Jong for this one. Kasi for sure talaga marami talagang viewers ang manonood kay Jong, sa totoo lang. And at the same time, I really love the texture. Nagawan ko na to ng reaction video yung full version niya ng, this is Kanlungan, di ba? Oo, alam ko Kanlungan ito for today's video. Sa totoo lang. So, yeah, that is our for today's video, which is Jong Madaliday. This is Cage Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!